Hey there! Ever wondered how ITIL 4 concepts can make a positive impact on your service management practices? No, I'm not talking about your IT teams. It's way bigger than that. With the developments in ITIL 4 in recent years, the need for collaboration within an organization is appreciated more and more. So there's a lot of development and collaborative work taking place to synthesize and integrate work, tasks, and value streams across departments, teams, and functional groups, all well beyond the IT. Piqued your interest yet? So if you're someone who'd like to learn about the opportunities and challenges involved in extending the scope of ITIL 4 to the non-IT areas of your business, join us on April 27th at 4 p.m. BST and 11 a.m. New York and learn from ITIL 4's architect and co-author himself, Barclay Rae, as he discusses the practical implementation of ITIL 4 beyond IT. Register now and reserve your spot with the registration link down below. Don't miss out. I'll see you there.